In the Song of Roland, Charlemagne's Christian forces, led by Roland, get ready for a tough battle. Roland faces a much larger Muslim army with his smaller Christian French troops. Roland put himself in a very difficult position because of his brash boldness and blind loyalty to Charlemagne. He arrives for battle with his men and his best friend and brother-in-law, Olivier. Roland is the nephew of Charlemagne and Charlemagne's favorite soldier. Roland epitomizes the chivalrous medieval knight with fierce loyalty to his king. When Roland gets to the battle scene, he is confident the French will win the States. The pagan cause is wrong, the Christian right. I won't be made into a bad example, he says. Olivier realizes that they are grossly outnumbered, and he repeatedly asks Roland to sound the Oliphant so Charlemagne can send reinforcement troops. Roland stubbornly proclaims, I'd much rather prefer to die than come to shame for fighting well. The emperor will love us. At another point, Roland again refuses to call for help, claiming that if he blew his horn, he would, quote, play the fool, and that throughout France my glory would be lost, end quote. Olivier is described as marvelously brave, and early in the battle he is eager to fight hard and kill as many of the enemy as possible. He is not afraid to fight. However, we can see a big difference in the personalities of Roland and Olivier. The author sums it up well when he writes that Olivier is wise and Roland is bold. Olivier assesses the situation, puts his pride aside, and controls his emotions. Olivier tries to make rational decisions in the heat of battle to save the lives of his comrades. Roland, on the other hand, is emotional and proud. He seems more concerned about his reputation in France and how the king will love him instead of the safety of his fellow soldiers. After watching many of his comrades die in battle, Roland realizes his error in not calling for help. Roland then blows the horn so hard that the blood vessels in his head burst, which leads to his death. As the fight progresses, Olivier is fatally wounded, and with Roland at his side, they tenderly forgive each other. They both end up dying in the battle, unnecessarily due to lack of rational behavior. What kind of soldier do you think you would be in such a situation? I would hope to behave more like Olivier. Thanks for listening, and I hope that you get a chance to read this book.